Do you know what's crazy? 97% of people in the world stay poor for their entire lives. Not because they're stupid, not because they're lazy, but because they have no blueprint, while millionaires all have one thing in common. They move with a plan, not with hope. And today, I'm going to share with you a 5-step blueprint from zero to millionaire. A blueprint that one of the greatest billionaires of this century, Larry Ellison, founder of Oracle, used to go from an orphan boy to one of the wealthiest people on earth. If you stick with me until the end of this video, not only will you understand how he did it, but you'll learn exactly how to copy the same path yourself. Larry was born in a poor neighborhood in Chicago. His mother was so poor that when he was just 9 months old, she had to give him to his aunt to raise. During his teenage years, people always told him, "You'll never be anything, you won't go to college. You won't be successful." But one day, at just 20 years old, after being kicked out of college, he heard a sentence that changed his life. "If you want a remarkable life, you must move against the path of everyone else." That day, Larry decided to stop working for others and instead learn how to make money work for him. Years later, that orphan boy built Oracle. And today his net worth is over $100 billion. Now the question is, what exact blueprint did he follow? Let's go step by step. I've summarized this blueprint based on Larry's life and the proven patterns of successful millionaires into 5 simple steps anyone can copy. Step 1. Build a different mindset. Millionaires grow their mindset before their bank account grows. Larry always said, from the very beginning, "I believed I think differently than others." You must plan yourself daily for wealth-focused thinking. Read books, follow successful people, and ask yourself every day, how can I create value? Not how can I make money? Step 2. Find your golden skill. Larry wasn't a programming genius, but he had a golden skill. Solving problems and building systems. He realized companies had data, but couldn't use it. So he created software that solved this problem. Money only comes from one place, solving a real problem for others. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve that people will pay for? The answer is your gold. Step 3. Work, but work smart. Millionaires don't work harder than others, they work smarter. Larry never wanted to do everything himself. He built a team, he built systems, he automated processes. You too must start where your work is not dependent on your time. Meaning, build, don't just do. Step 4. Put your money to work like a worker. When you earn your first money, most people make the mistake of spending it immediately. But millionaires put their money to work. That money must work for you. Invest, learn, buy tools that generate returns. As Larry said, money should fight like an army for you, not be spent like a pet. Step 5. Commit for 5 years. This is where 90% of people fail. Because they are in a rush, they want to be millionaires in 6 months. But real success is the reward of long-term commitment. It took Larry 7 years to reach his first major financial success. 7 years without breaks, without immediate results, just work and faith. If you dedicate the next 5 years to growth, your future will resemble the dreams that now exist only in your mind. Now that you have the blueprint, only one question remains. Are you really ready to execute it? You can start today from zero. With a new mindset, a golden skill, and a 5-year commitment. This simple act will lift you out of the 97% crowd. And remember, millionaires are not smarter than you. They just followed the blueprint and stayed the course. If you feel it's time to build your path, write in the comments, "I'm starting today." And if this video inspired you, make sure to hit the like button. And subscribe to Golden Growth for more videos with real success blueprints. Because here, every week, your growth turns into gold.